This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Toyota Highlander. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a voice-activated navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, a leather-wrapped shift knob, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a collapsible steering column, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. Toyota's certification includes a 160-point inspection and an extensive reconditioning process, plus a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive warranty and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.